name is David Wilkinson, and I'm speaking to you from the chapel of St Mary the Less, part of the College of St John's here in Durham University, where I work. And this is a fascinating chapel. It was built in the 12th century as a prayer space for the guards who looked after the city walls of Durham. And we believe that prayers have been said ever since. So right through the centuries, prayers have been continually said in this place, right up until the students and those trained for church leadership today. And when I sit in here myself, I just imagine all of the different prayers that have been said. Prayers for safety, prayers for healing, prayers for guidance and wisdom, prayers no doubt for help in exams. And prayer itself raises the question of just how God works in the universe. Does he just work in human beings and they become the agents of change in the universe? Or does God actually work in the physicality of the universe? Does he interact with the atoms and molecules that make up the physical world around me? In these series of lectures, that's what we're going to explore together. We're going to explore how models of science, from Newton through to quantum theory and chaos, affect how we understand how God works in the world. We'll look at scripture and tradition and the way that Christians have understood God's revelation of himself in terms of how God works in the world. And we'll look seriously at experience and pastoral ministry and what these questions mean. From miracles to a sense that God works behind the scenes. From sustaining the laws of physics to often unexpected and surprising ways that God works. And let me be clear that there are no easy answers or easy models in this. There is a complexity, or might say a messiness, to how God works in the world. But I find that really exciting. As someone who comes with a background in science, in astrophysics, and someone with a great love of scripture. And the way that God has worked in different ways, sometimes very puzzling ways, within my own life experience. I hope you can join us, and I hope that you'll be able to pose some really difficult questions of which I'll not be able to give answers to.